LG 27-inch Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 Nano IPS display Ultra Gear gaming monitor with 1 ms response time. We'll get to that in a second. 144 hertz refresh rate. That's great. But ultimately, G-Sync is going to be really, really great as well. We're going to be able to sync our frame rates at any frame rate we want. We're actually going to be able to push the frame rates to the max, which is going to be really, really nice. You're literally going to be able to get every ounce of available system resource from your computer's processor, put it into chugging out as many frames as you possibly can, and you can view it all with this monitor. So, a couple things with this one. The 1 ms response time. Why is response time important? Well, you can take it or leave it with some gamers, but very competitive gamers like very low response. All that means is whenever you hit some sort of action on your keyboard, on your mouse, in the game, it only takes 1 ms to see that on the screen. There's not a delay between your input and what you're seeing visually on the monitor itself. So professional League of Legends players, professional Call of Duty players, professional Counter-Strike CSGO players, they all want very, very low response times on their monitors because it makes them, technically speaking, more competitive. They're seeing things before other gamers are seeing it. That allows them to react more quickly. It is actually a top tier kind of gamer thing. So as maybe more casual gaming enthusiasts, you might not worry about that so much. But technically, in terms of a gaming monitor, that is a point, that is a benchmark that we want to hit, is something that has good performance. There are some reviews here. So Ratings did some great, they go through great reviews of this, and I'm going to just review what they've talked about. On the gaming side, they gave it an 8.3. It has extremely low input lag, like we just talked about. It has FreeSync support and G-Sync compatibility. Those are kind of the same thing. They're just, one's a free technology available to all graphics cards. The other one is G-Sync. That's NVIDIA's proprietary technology. We have an NVIDIA card, so we get to use the proprietary technology, which is possibly a little bit better. The verdict might still be out on that one a little bit. Low input lag, incredible response time. But one of its cons, there is a little bit of a low contrast ratio. But otherwise, in terms of competitive gaming, it's definitely up there. But also, I think visually great as well.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.